Hello friends, I welcome you all in the platform of Tech Academics. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we will see the introduction of web development. So, how anyone can get into the field of web development. So, let's start this journey. But before that, I hope you already watched the video of Introduction to Tech Academic where you comes to know that what are the key features of Tech Academic and how Tech Academic works. So if you didn't watch my Introduction to Tech Academic video, then kindly requested you to please watch that video also to know more about Tech Academic. I can provide the link in the description so you can watch the same video from there. So now we start the journey of web development. So this is the first tutorial of web development, how a beginner can start for a web development. So this journey will be very interesting. So kindly requested you to watch this video till end to know how to start for a web development journey. Apart from this video will be more interesting for those who already have a experience in the field of web development, because in this video I will also tell you about how to manage writing codes for web development, means how you can write short and precise code for web development, because there is a lot of difference between your code and industry code. So in this video I will also tell you about how to write a proper structured code that meets the industry specific requirements. So let's start. So there are few set of questions which are mentioned over background, so we need to answer that. So let's start. So first is language and technologies. So what are the language and technologies required in web development? So which includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript and other frameworks which I discussed in my further videos. So these are the basics of HTML. So these two languages are the basic of web development. Means in HTML and CSS are used as a beginner. So if any one of you are beginner in the field of web development, then you start from HTML and CSS. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So now next question is tools and software used. So what are the tools and software which are used for implementing these technologies, or you can say that these tools and software are used for writing codes at different platforms. So they are the basic software you can use called Notepad or Notepad++, Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code. So as a beginner, I preferred you can use Sublime Text, but if you are intermediate or experienced, then you can use Visual Studio Code, which is much better than Sublime Text. Visual Studio Code provides you the proper hierarchy of your codes, means the files and the images in your folders. So Visual Studio Code provides you the structured way of storing your files and folders. So as a beginner, I preferred Sublime Text 3, version 3. So these are the software used for implementing these technologies. So main question is how to start, means how to start for a web development. So first you start by learning HTML and CSS. CSS is a technology which is used to provide styling HTML document. Okay, so the first task of your, if you is a beginner, then which is to learn HTML and CSS and implement these languages using these tools and software. Apart from these two requirements, another requirement is browser requirement. Because HTML is a hypertext markup language, which the output of HTML is displayed over browser. So you can use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. But I preferred you that you will use Google Chrome, because Google Chrome provides us the facility of developer tool. I will discuss about developer tool in my further videos. Basically, in brief, I will tell you about what is developer tool. Developer tool is a tool by which you can detect error in your code, or you can manage your styling as well as your HTML document with the help of this tool. So in detail I will describe about the developer tool in my further videos. So I usually prefer to use Google Chrome as a browser. So move to our initial question, which is how to start, means how to start this journey. So first, there is no prerequisite for this course. So you start learning HTML and CSS by different learning platforms, and then implement these learning with the help of this mentioned software and browser. So you grow in the field of web development. So this is the first step, initial step in the web development. Another question is, from where to start? From where to start? So there are different learning platforms as well as different official documentation from where you learn these technologies very easily and in a very short period of time. So learning platforms are, one is W3 School. This is the famous platform for learning web development. Another is, you can also refer MDN Docs, which is the official documentation of Mozilla. Apart from this, there are many courses on Udemy as well as edX. So you can refer different courses over Udemy and edX. Udemy is providing different courses on web development for beginners as well as for advanced level. So Udemy is a very good platform if you want to learn these technologies. Apart from this, I also provide you a short and concise material for these technologies in my further video, so that you can also learn from there. So this is the proper structure of beginning in web development. So tools and technologies, first you need to learn HTML and CSS. You use Sublime Text as a beginner, and browser you prefer Google Chrome, and from where to start and how to start I mentioned you here. So these are the certain platforms from where you can learn HTML and CSS, and in my further videos I also provide you short and concise material for these platforms. So now we will learn how to download these software and from where we start and how we use Google Chrome as a developer tool. So now I will show you how to download Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. So let's start.
So here we download the Sublime Text version 3. So you can have a look here. The link mentioned sublimetext.com/3. So you will download the version of Sublime Text 3 according to your operating system. As I am using Windows, so click here for Windows and downloading will start. So now we will wait for the download to complete. Apart from this, if you want to download Visual Studio Code, then visit the website code.visualstudio.com/download, and same here, according to your operating system you can download. I already have downloaded Visual Studio Code, so I don't need to download again, but you can download according to your user installer. Means your system is 64-bit, then you can download from here, or 32-bit from here. You can also download the zip file. So our Sublime Text is downloaded, so open, waiting for the execute file. So click yes. So this asks the about the location where you want to download the software. I'm fine with the location. So install, and the installation is complete. So now you need to open Sublime Text 3. So now create a new file and save this file with say desktop at demo.html. So now here you can code like with HTML and mention demo HTML page. So in this way you can start your web development journey with this Sublime Text Editor. Now, as I already told you about that how to make your code short and precise and how to do coding or web development faster means how you can code faster. So here is this called as Emmet. So you need to install Emmet for your Sublime Text 3. So Emmet provides you the shorthand coding method by which you can write short many lines of code within a very short period of time. So how it can be possible? So here we have a called as installation package control. So you need to first install the package control. So you need to open the command palette by Control Shift P for Windows and type install package control. So downloading will start here and it will take time according to your internet speed. And now you type here Emmet. Actually, I already have installed Emmet in my Sublime Text, so there is no option showing here Emmet. But these are other Emmet directories and subdirectories, so you can download according to your own need. So if you are new to this, then like this is Emmet CSS Snapper. So for CSS you need to install this, and for HTML I already installed my Emmet, which is named as Emmet. So I install this and downloading will start here. You can see here, or you can also see the console where downloading is shown here. So we wait for the downloading of CSS Snippet. So at that time we look for installation path and steps. So for in command palette you need for Windows Linux you press Ctrl Shift plus P, and for Mac you press Command Shift P and then type install package controller and press enter. After pressing enter, the package control will start installing their files and folders. After completing this, then same message will be displayed here. So this is package control message which shows that you have successfully installed CSS Sniper. So how it can minimize the coding like that? You do not write these HTML like this. So you just press HTML and enter. Now let's suppose you want to create a div which have unordered list with consisting of 5 items, and each item has a anchor tag. After writing this, you press tab and you show that the whole code you want occur here. Means by installing Emmet, you can create your coding strategies and minimize your time so that you can write code as soon as possible with a short duration of time. Now again you use same snippet in CSS file, so I save file like demo.css, sorry, demo.css, CSS, and like I have a div, and if I want to display none, then you simply write dn and press tab, display none. If you want a margin 10, then press M10, or you can say that M10. You want a padding of 20, P20 tab. So in this way, you can take the advantage of this Emmet to write your code. So this is very helpful for those who already have web development experience, but they require more time to write their code, because if you want to create a good website, then that require a thousands or lakhs of line of code. So by this way, you can make your code strategy simple and easier. So that is all for Sublime Text for this beginning stage. And apart from this, you can download Visual Studio Code from here and Sublime Text here. I mentioned the downloading link for Sublime Text and Visual Code and also this package control in my description. So kindly check there. So that's all about Sublime Text. Now, as I mentioned that there is a developer tool which is provided by Google Chrome. So have a look there. Press Ctrl Shift I in after clicking here in Chrome. Press Ctrl Shift I and you have a look. This is the developer tool. This whole is the developer tool of Google Chrome. So how it can help to detect any error or to check that whether your code is meet proper industry specific requirements or not. Then from here you can also toggle device, means you can also check that whether this is mobile responsive or not. By clicking here you can check with a different device how your page will look like, and in how it will look like according to different, means how responsive your design is. So this is all from here. Google developer tool makes you so that it can makes your task easy. So by this you can check your code that here is your HTML5 of this particular page. Like suppose I have opened a link like facebook.com, or you can say that gmail.com, and then I also you can inspect element by control shift I right clicking. So here you can have a look of how it look in different mobiles and different responsive. So by this way, you if you click again this over, then it will change to your desktop view like this. This will change to your desktop view. So this is all about from my side for this developer tool. In my further videos, I will let you know more about how you can make your code error free with the help of this developer tool. So that is all about Sublime Text and de- developer tool.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then kindly share with your friends and your colleagues so that who are really passionate about the technology and software development, then they get the benefit of this, and who are the beginners in the field of development, they can know how to start for a particular technology, or you can say that for a web development. So kindly requested you to share this video as much as possible, and if you are new to my channel, then kindly press the subscribe button here and also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates related to technology and software development. So thank you so much. This is all for today. See you soon.